Good morning children, welcome to Gautam Model School Vanasalipuram, class 2 children. How are you all children? Good? But I am not getting any homeworks from you children. Are you all listening the classes or not? Because it is very important children for you to listen the lesson. Why? You need to improve your vocabulary. If you listen the lesson, you can improve your vocabulary and you will learn the spellings also. Okay, when I am teaching you new words, you will learn spellings also children. But most of the children are not ready to learn. Okay, you need to learn children. Okay, so it is which subject? English subject. So we open everyone your textbooks children. Already we have completed lesson number 2 children. In your English textbook, what was the lesson number 2 children? The fly. What was the lesson name? The fly. What was a funny thing in this lesson children? The tiny animal forgot its name. Right. Who was that animal? The fly. Right. So at last the fly found its name by a bird, right? Because it said, I don't ask me anything, I know only how to fly, it said, right now children? And even we have learned spellings also children yesterday, new words we have written in the notebook, right? So, even in textbook also children, few bits we have completed in this, like a textbook page number 20, we have completed, page number 19 we have completed. Who said these words we completed, and page number 20 also. Right, true or false, I told you the tiny animal could fly. Yes, it can fly, it could fly. So, true or false have you written children? I want today all these exercises children. Show me, because 2 days back I told you this one, on Saturday I told you, and even fill in the blanks also with the correct words. And how to read these words also in bit C, I told you children, ER words, how we need to pronounce. See, for example, here, teacher, but we are not saying teacher, TACHER. How we are pronouncing? Last 2 letters we are just stopping children, we are not pronouncing it properly, like completely we are not pronouncing. Teacher, teacher, driver, right? So, all the driver, farmer, in that way we are not pronouncing children. So, read. Farmer, carpenter, singer, driver, in this way. Okay? So, EA words also we have learned, beak, read. Because EA only we are stressing and we are prolonging children, only we are stressing those 2 letters only. After coming letter, that much we are not pronouncing children. See, beat, last one half only we are pronouncing. Heat, seat, leap, right? Understood? So, completed even D bit also children in this fill in the blanks, and even page number 21 also we have completed fill in the blanks with the correct words from the brackets. We need to select the words from the brackets and we need to write here. I think everyone has completed even this one also. Yes. Now, in this children we have learnt one grammar part children. In that, what is that? We call it like it is a one part of parts of speech, right? So, what is that children? What is your name? Tell me. Your name is Ishita. What is my name? I am Kala. And who am I? I am a teacher. Where do you stay? I stay in Hyderabad. Where do you stay? I stay in Vanasalipuram. Do you have any pet children in your house? Yes, I have a pet dog. Right? Do you have any plants in your house children? Any beautiful flowers? Flower plants? Yes, rose plants are there. Okay, children, where do you stay? Like where? Like in a house or else like in a nest? Where do you stay? We stay in a house. We live in a house. For house, what will be there, children? To close doors. Why I am asking all these questions, children? Because we are using all the names, children. That means just now we used name of an animal, name of a tree, plant, name of your house. That means like shut the door, doors also, windows we have to the house, and we have learned your name. What is your name? Where do you stay? I asked. Your place you said. All these are naming words. Right, children? We have learnt this one. Yes or no? Yes. So, what is the meaning of naming words? What we are calling it? All naming words are called nouns. All naming words are called noun. Like example, children, here it is given in your textbook. Words that name a person, a place, an animal, or a thing, or naming words. Right now, children? Just now whatever questions I asked you, all the names have come in that. Right? So, these are called nouns. Naming words. What is that, children? Naming words. Now, here they are called nouns. For example, they have given mother, school, cow, stick. All these are also nouns, children. Whatever names you are using, all nouns. Okay. So, even this bit also we have completed in this lesson. In this page also completed, page number 21. And here, children, underline the special names in these sentences. Rewrite the sentences in your notebook using capital letters. That means, children, it is, what is that? We will be reading this one, children. Some words name a special person, place or thing. These are special names. They always begin with the capital letters. Children, like even in the sentence also, like in between the sentence also, there are special names are there, even special places are there to write beginning letter, starting letter in a capital letter. Understood? See, some words name a special person or else place or thing. These are special names. They always begin with the capital letters. They always begin with the capital letters. For example, children, Alia and Asad saw the Charminar in Hyderabad. See, children, it is a full sentence, children. In between also we used capital letters. Why? Charminar is a special, it is a monument, children. It is a special place, right? That is the reason we are writing starting letter, capital letter, children. Understood? So, here Hyderabad is a city, children. So, we are writing, this is also a capital letter in the beginning. Now, Alia and Asad, they are also names. They both are names of a person, right? So, these two names are names of a person, people. So, we are writing with the capital letters. Here, you rewrite, children. Kiran lives in Patna. That means K in the first one, children. K you will be writing. See here. To rewrite, I am telling you, children. K you will be writing capital. You will be using K capital and even P capital. Okay, and write the sentence here. Here, Asha and Aruna are sisters. A capital and here Aruna, A also capital. Okay, write the sentence again here in front of these sentences. Already this completed, children. Once again I am explaining you. Okay, and here turn the page, children. Everyone, in front of this also everyone draw lines. Pia is reading a book. it is a name of a person, you will be writing this capital letter. Is reading a book. Okay, book. Now here no need to write any other words with the capital letters, only here this one. And here Pongal falls in the month of January. That means you will be writing J capital letter and P capital letter. Okay, these two, Pongal and even this J. And here in this, children, the Taj Mahal is in Agra. So capital letter, it is a T capital here. Taj, it is a famous place, children. Taj Mahal, it is also a famous name, children. Here T capital you will be writing Taj Mahal, and is in Agra. It is also a place, name of a place, children. Agra. A, you will be writing this A also capital letter. Okay. So all these are you will be writing in capital, and rewrite all the sentences here, children, by using capital letters. Okay, very good. Now children, use grammar, children. Here ask your partner to guess these special names. Write the names on the blanks. Begin each name with a capital letter. Okay, even children here in Taj Mahal you will be writing all these capital letters, right now, children. Mahal also you write M capital. Okay, now here I am, first one, children, listen everyone. Listen everyone, listen. I am the world's highest mountain peak, Mount Everest. So already it is given for you, children. Yes, M capital, E capital. Okay, this is a famous place like Everest it is. So we are writing M capital, E capital. And I am the capital of India. What is the capital of India, children? Delhi. So what you will be writing, children? D capital. Should I write on the board? Write like this. Delhi. Delhi. Okay. This is the second one, children. And third one. Here I am called the festival of lights. What is that festival, children? I am called the festival of lights. What is that festival? We'll light diyas and we will burn crackers. What are this? Which festival? Diwali. Yes. D capital, I W A L I. Diwali. Right? Now fourth one, children. Here I am the third month of the year. Third month of the year. Third month means, do you know, children, months? Names of the months, children? January, February, March. This is the third month of the year, children. March. Right? So, March, M should be written with a capital letter, children. M-A-R-C-H. March. Number 5. I am the day after Monday. After Monday, which day comes, children? Today is which day? Tell me. Sunday, Monday. Monday after which day? Tuesday. Very good, children. So, T-U-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. So, children, all the months also we are using capital letter in the beginning. Even days of the week also we are writing capital letters. Okay, children, understand? So, for months we are using capital letters, for weeks we are using capital letters, and famous places we are using capital letters in the beginning, and famous personalities also, like all the names also, all the person special names also we are writing capital letters children in the beginning. Okay, so now understood when we are using capitals for the names. Okay children, now here till here this is a H bit children. Now children, listen carefully everyone, this bit I children, your okay, I will be reading some what is that, rhyming words children in this. Okay, should I rub this? I'll rub this one. Over children this one. Here some rhyming words children. B-O-O-K, book. T-O-O-K, took. C-A-R, car. B-A-R, bar. Okay. Now here free is there children. F-R-E-E, free. T-R-E-E, tree. Right, these are the rhyming words children. Here nose, N-O-S-E, nose. R-O-S-E, nose. Nose, rose. Now children, mouse is given children here. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. H-O-U-S-E, house. So these are the few rhyming words children. You also repeat after me. Okay. B-O-O-K, book. Took. T-O-O-K, took. Car. Bar. Free. Tree. Nose. Rose. Mouse. House. Okay, repeat children. Okay. Now, this is also over now. Now, last bit children, J bit. Now, speak well children. Now, this is J bit. Work with your partner. Take turns to ask and answer questions about each other. How old are you? Children, now you are all in the house only, right? You can ask your younger brother or else elder brother or else sister, like that, like you as a make a partner, and you can ask all these questions children to improve your communication skills, improve your conversation skills children. Okay, you may use these questions or ask your own, otherwise you can ask your own also children, like just now I asked you, right, what is your name and what is my name. My name is Kala, I told you, right, in that way. What is your favorite color? Tell me children, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. You also tell me. Now second one, where do you live? Where do you live children? I live in a house. Where do you live? I live in a house. Now third one children, who is your best friend? My best friend is, any name you can tell children, like really you are feeling like very, she is my good friend, right? You will be having 9-year class. My best friend name is Vanaja. Okay. Now, how do you come to school? Every day you, while coming to school, how you will come children? I will come by auto. And how you are coming? I will come by with my father on scooter. Right? I'll come by car. Okay, in that way you can answer, children. So complete all these, children. Okay, now number that is over now. This page is over. Now next page. Now number these sentences in the correct order. Write the sentences below. Then read story. Here, children, this is a test for you, children. How you will write, I'll see. I will be telling you tomorrow this story, children. Okay, now you try to write this one. How you will write. Okay, this is a small test for you, children. Okay, so I will check your understanding levels. Then if you are not writing properly, I will be telling this story, children. If you are not right, if you write also, I will tell this story tomorrow. Okay, bye bye, children. Have a nice day. If you don't understand, you can call me. I will explain again, children. Okay, bye, children.